Can I help you, sir?
Yeah, we're camping down the road, and the campground said that you guys had a heck of a hydrant here. I just need to get some water in my trailer.
Just over there on the other side of the barn.
Cool. We'll grab some. It says this thing's waterproof. Guess we're gonna find. Is this safe to drink?
World War II. Think that'll hold water going down the road?
You know, it's got these new 22s on it. Should be good. 10 gallon jugs, I guess.
Top her off now. Every last drop.
Yeah, you don't charge for the bubbles though, right?
Nope.
Alright. Gosh, I don't know if we'll be able to tow this. Ooh. Would you look at that? She's a good old girl. I reckon this hitch will pull it. Isn't it good?
Whoa, 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 whoa!
You got anything to load this with, or?
I got my skid steer.
That's a pretty big one, ain't it?
It's 299D.
So it lifts like 299 pounds?
Yeah.
I think we can. You know, now that I think of it, that's probably more than 299 pounds. You got anything bigger?
Yeah?
Oh yeah, that ought to do it. Run that?
I watched a YouTube video.
Oh! Yeah, if you could just lower down now, like that. Easy. Yeah, try that. Yep, looking great. Keep going, tick her up. Back up a little bit. Doing great. Whoa!
I'm sorry I broke your handle there.
Oh, she really did her in. I'm gonna have to get it in my truck or something. I mean, the handles.
They don't make them like they use high.
You watch your head there.
Put her right in there.
You watch your head. Okay, now that I know you can operate this, let's get her in there and.
I'm gonna get in there like swimwear.
There you go.
I swear to God I will. It's state law.
Back up. Like that a little. Man. Yeah. I'll get it. I know you're new. Yep, just go up. Yep, easy now. Easy. Maybe a little higher. A little higher. Whoa! Oh! Higher! Oh! We got, hold on. Oh! She's leaking. Got one more handle. Okay. Right here. up. Yep. Oof. We blew a gasket. You went so high.
I was waiting for you to direct me.
I kept telling you just the height of the truck.
Oh, man.
What are we supposed to drink? Just Busch Light?
Well, here's your seal sealer here. She's did it.
This is supposed to be my toolbox for my day job.
Well, I need a good director. Every operator needs a good director, and you weren't directed. Should have bought Milwaukee.
Yeah, well, I'm going to drink Busch Light all weekend. Is that your dumpster? Because I'm leaving it here. Got some dirt in it.
Oh, look at that handle.
Peeled her up. Durability test on the old handle. That'll protect your hands. Pins are starting to come out. Latches are holding. Looks good.
I think you lost the gasket.
Blew my gasket. Alright, so we just did durability tests on the old RIDGID 2.0. As you see, it held a lot of water. First thing to go is the handle. It's pretty impressive because I doubt anybody's ever going to have that much weight and tools on it and lifting it up by this handle. Probably be more recommended. As you've seen, we lifted it completely with the latches from this handle, and this handle just took some abuse. She's holding up well. She's still holding on, but this handle is in pieces, so don't need that. After dragging it around, let's see if she'll still unhook. Still got a cart. Don't know what we'll do with it.
It's only a little broken.
Oh yeah, right here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Still spins.
Still round.
Still round. Didn't have to reinvent that. Overall, I guess we could use this box for a whole lot of nothing.
Still actually in pretty good shape.
It's still in good shape, yeah.
Nice, the cracks
the water
everywhere.
Yeah, the cracks are, you know, if you wanted to store crickets or something in here. This is where it first hit. You know, honestly, for the amount of weight that it had in it when it did fall, it's still, like we said, impressive. Because the plastic like cracked, but it like more or less tears and the badge is coming off completely. New license plate. Got all the donuts holding the water by the handle. So I guess that's pretty good. Got some potting soil in there. Lost the gasket. The gasket blew out as soon as it dropped. The water pressure just blew it right out. But again, nobody's gonna hold water in it. It just needs to protect your tools from dust and water if it's raining. Overall, I'd honestly give it a pretty good review. I like it.
Performed better than I expected.
Sure gonna miss it. She's going in the dumpster. Because I don't know what we'd do with this. At this point, we'll just get another one. Maybe drop it out of an airplane. No more tests on this. As you can see, she's pretty well done. We could light it on fire, but you know, it's just gonna burn. So, thanks for watching. And we'll be back to tool reviews after this.